Tea benefits more than the common cold. Drinking tea is a nice way to warm up on a cold day, and it could even keep you from getting sick if you drink it daily. Many teas contain vital micronutrients that could lower your risk of cancer, heart disease and diabetes, improve your immune system and soothe bellyaches. Although they're not a cure-all, if you're experiencing digestive issues, these teas could help settle your upset stomach. 1. Ginger tea. Ginger root has been used medicinally for thousands of years in regions including Asia and India. It helps to relieve an upset stomach, indigestion, motion sickness and nausea. This is because of gingerol, ginger's main component, which may increase digestive responsiveness and also help fight bloat. If you don't want to drink it as tea, you could grate fresh ginger on a meal or eat it on the side with your favorite sushi. 2. Chamomile tea. It isn't just a myth that tea can help you feel better when you're ill. Chamomile can relieve stomach cramps, motion sickness, diarrhea, nausea, indigestion and abdominal gas. This plant contains chemicals called flavonoids, nutrients that give chamomile its medicinal properties. It's also commonly used to help people who suffer from insomnia. 3. Peppermint tea. Tea is essential when flu season comes around, but it's good to have it on hand year-round too. There are studies that have shown that peppermint oil, in particular, is effective in treating irritable bowel syndrome because it helps ease abdominal pain and other symptoms of this condition. It is believed that you may experience similar benefits from drinking peppermint tea. Peppermint leaves, which contain essential oils menthol, menthone and limonene, are used medicinally for nausea, menstrual cramps, abdominal gas and bloating. 4. Spearmint tea. Spearmint is filled with powerful antioxidants. The perennial plant is commonly used to alleviate symptoms of nausea, indigestion, bloating and gas. Though more research is needed, it may also improve your memory. 5. Holy basil tea. This isn't what you'd find on the best pizzas in America. Holy basil has been used to help treat symptoms of diarrhea, nausea and vomiting. The queen of herbs is also an adaptogen, or natural substance that helps your body adjust to stress. Stress is known to cause some pretty scary side effects, but drinking this tea could help alleviate those symptoms and counteract the effects of stress-induced ulcers. 6. Licorice tea. Licorice root contains glyceric acid, an anti-inflammatory component that's good for the immune system. Tea made from licorice root could help to relieve a number of stomach problems including ulcers, indigestion, food poisoning and heartburn. The potent plant is known to protect the lining of the stomach, but be careful. Consuming too much licorice can have a negative effect on your heart health. 7. Green tea. Green tea is said to relieve abdominal gas and diarrhea, stomach pain, nausea and bloating caused by bacteria strain Helicobacter pylori, and stomach ulcers. Just remember that there's caffeine in this tea, and that it might affect your ability to sleep if you drink it before bedtime. As an added bonus, it's good for boosting your metabolism and losing weight. 8. Black tea. This tea is popular around the globe and holds benefits that can help improve your gut health. Black tea contains micronutrients called polyphenols that are known to kill harmful bacteria, promote the growth of good bacteria and repair the lining of the digestive tract. Black tea is also an excellent alternative to drinking sugary energy drinks or coffee when you need a caffeine kick. 9. Fennel tea. When fennel seeds are combined with hot water, the seeds extract an antibacterial component that helps relax your digestive muscles and relieve constipation. It also helps with flatulence and diarrhea. Fennel tea is packed with antioxidants that can help your body fight against harmful germs you're exposed to on a daily basis, and if you feel like you don't get enough sleep, try drinking a cup of fennel tea before bed. In the olden days, fennel was used to treat insomnia. 10. Lemongrass tea. The next time you have an upset stomach, make lemongrass your go-to tea. It helps fight digestive issues, such as stomach cramping and symptoms of PMS, because its essential oil protects the stomach lining. Due to its antimicrobial properties, lemongrass can also be used to soothe cavities and oral infections, which may be a sign that you need a new toothbrush. Odds are that's not the only household item you need to replace. Which is your favorite? You can add it to the comments. You can subscribe to our channel for more videos, so you can support us to buy equipment and prepare quality content videos for you. Stay healthy. Goodbye.